Hey guys, in this short video you're going to learn about the second derivative. So what is the second derivative? Well, you guys already know how to differentiate a function, and all you do is use the rule. So for example, if we have a function of x equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 1, then the first derivative, well, when you differentiate this function, f dash x is equal to, bring the 2 to the front, so 2 times 3 equals 6x, plus bring the 1 to the front, so it's 6, 1 minus 1 is 0, so 6x to the power of 0, and then the last term is a constant, it just disappears when we differentiate it. So this here is what we call the first derivative, right? Because you have differentiated this equation once. Now, if you were going to differentiate it again, then we have something which we call the second derivative. And the symbol for that is f dash dash of x. Alright, so it's double dash. Right, you have two dashes. And all you do is you differentiate this again, so the answer is just 6. Now, say you were going to differentiate that again, then you can write f triple dash of x, and that becomes 0, and that is the third derivative. Alright, so basically the second derivative just means you're going to differentiate this equation twice. So you differentiate it first to get f dash x, then you differentiate it again to get differentiate it again to get f double dash of x. So let's try another question. Alright, so let's try find the second derivative of, and let's just do a hard one straight away, x cubed plus 3 over the square root of x cubed. So it looks hard, but it's not actually hard at all. So the firstly, the equation is f of x equals x cubed over square root of x cubed plus 3 over square root of x cubed. So I've just separated this fraction into two fractions, which you are allowed to do since the denominators are the same. And the second thing we do is I'm gonna get rid of the square root signs, so it becomes x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3 over x to the power of 3 over 2, and then using the index laws, the top power minus the bottom power, it becomes x to the power of 3 minus 3 over 2, that's just 3 over 2 again, plus 3 to the power of x to the power 3 times x to the power of negative 3 over 2, since I'm moving this term to the top. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to differentiate it once, So I'm moving this to the front, and so I have 1.5 minus 1, that's 0.5, plus negative 9 over 2, since I'm moving this to the front, x, minus 1, so it becomes negative 5 over 2. Okay, now I'm going to differentiate it again. So this becomes 3 over 4 x to the power of negative a half plus 45 over 4 x, since I'm multiplying the power by the coefficient, negative 7 over 2. And if I was going to make the powers positive, then this will be 4x inside the square root plus 45 over 4x to the power of 7 square root. Okay, so that is the final answer. Alright, well, I hope you guys understand a little bit better how to differentiate and how to find the second derivative. See you next time.